Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing some cucumber seeds. These are English cucumbers from Verve called Telegraph Improved. These are actually sown in February, but I am sowing them early just because I want some early harvest, and they grow 50 centimeter tall and 20 centimeter wide. Or if you are going to just grow it in ground, they grow 50 centimeter wide and 20 centimeter tall. They're spreading ones, so they are a little bit compact, so I can have them in my greenhouse so they don't get such big. And I'm going to sow one seed in each cell or each pot. I have 8 pots, which means I will get 8 plants. The Verve, I've said it before, Verve seeds are really good because they give some labels. So I'm going to label one of these pots, and I'm going to put the whole tray I'm going to put the whole tray I want all the pots in one tray. And cucumber seeds are a little bit bigger seeds, so they didn't come with an extra packet inside. So I'm going to just take out some seeds, and then I'm going to just show you how I sow my seeds. Firstly, I'm going to make some holes and just moisten these pots first, because this is really important, or else you will dislodge the seeds if you water afterwards. Because therefore it's really important that you water from the bottom when you sow your seeds, or you water it before you sow the seeds. As you can see, I have changed the tray and to more deeper tray, because you know the last tray I had was not so deep, because I could water from the bottom as well. So therefore I'm actually have a little bit taller tray so that I can water from the bottom. So I'm gonna make some holes, because cucumber seeds are bigger, and it's a rule that you have to sow a seed 3 times its size deep. So cucumbers are bigger, so I'm going to sow them 0.5 centimeter deep, which was labeled at the back of the packet. So we're going to take out some seeds and then sow all of them. Or there are 12 seeds, actually I got 14. So germination rate of Verve seeds are really high actually, so I'm going to sow 1 seed per cell. Now I've sowed all of the seeds. These can be grown outside because these are actually English cucumbers. So I hope for the best, and you're going to give it more light and everything, and I'm going to plant them afterwards. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.